All right, looking for a quick and easy chip recipe that doesn't require any cooking? Stay tuned.
What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on.
Hello, my name is Don Cleaver and welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver and you can call me Mr. Don, and we're up here in the high Rockies in the Colorado. And today we're just making a very simple dip recipe. It's called the corn salsa. So very simple. We're just going to combine some ingredients, let it cool for a couple hours, and it's ready to go. So we're going to take 1 can of black-eyed peas, 1 can of Rotel, diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 can of whole corn kernel, sweet corn, about 1/4 cup of vinegar, two teaspoons of our lime juice, one diced up purple onion, all right, 2 Anaheim peppers, diced, 1 jalapeno pepper diced, and don't rub your eyes after you do that, or you'll be sorry. And 1 avocado, diced up. Then salt and pepper to a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Mix this together. Now we'd set this aside in an ice box for 2 hours, and it's ready to serve. So very simple. Yeah, very simple recipe to do. So again, if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And let's see, what we're doing is I found Kent Rollins on YouTube and I started watching his videos, and I love the way he does. He does a cowboy cook, ranch style, chuck wagon style, and he has a couple cookbooks. So I'm going through every recipe in his cookbook and trying them out and see how they adapt to our camping cooking lifestyle. And so far they've been doing really good. This is the first time I've tried this recipe, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, thank you.